Let's take a look at these examples. These problems are a little bit different because the leading coefficient is different than 1. In this case is 8. What we're supposed to do first, we have to multiply first the leading coefficient by the third term. 8 times negative 45 is equal negative 360. Negative 360. Next, what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to find two numbers which are going to multiply by themselves, are going to give me negative 360, and add to each other are going to give me 26. These two numbers, I can say they are minus 10 times 36 are going to give me negative 360. And these two numbers added to each other are going to give me 26. Minus 10 plus 36 is give me 26. Okay? So what we're supposed to do next? We know that minus 10 plus 36 is equal to 26. That's why I'm going to rewrite this problem a little bit different way. I'm going to have 8x squared and 26 I'm going to write as a minus 10x plus 36x minus 45. Is it the same? Of course. Minus 10 plus 36 gives me 26. Let's take a look what we can factorize from these terms. From these two terms, the greatest common factor is going to be 2x. And inside of the parentheses, I'm going to stay with 4x minus 5. Plus, from these two terms, I can factorize 9. And I'm going to have, inside of the parentheses, 4x minus 5. Please notice that I have common factor in these two terms. I'm going to factorize this common factor. I'm going to have 4x minus 5, and in the other parentheses I'm going to write whatever is going to stay. 2x plus 2x plus 9. And this is my solution. Let's take a look if this is true. 4x times 2x gives me 8x squared. 4x times 9 is equal 36x. Minus 5 times 2x is minus 10x. Minus 5 times 9 is equal negative 45. 36 minus 10x, I combine the like terms. I have 8x squared plus 26x minus 45. As you can see, we got the original expression, okay, quadratic trinomial. So this is the solution to my problem. Let's take a look at this one. Again, look at the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient is different than 1. So what we're supposed to do first? Multiply leading coefficient by the third term. 6 times 5 is equal 30. Let's take a look. We're supposed to ask the question, what numbers multiplied together are going to give me Tore, right? And the same numbers add to each other are going to give me negative 13. Okay? I would say minus 3 times minus 10. Minus 3 times minus 10 is Tore. Minus 3 plus minus 10 is equal negative 13. I got negative 13 and this is negative 13. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do next? I'm supposed to rewrite this expression as 6x squared minus, and instead of 13 I have to write minus 3x, and I have minus 10x plus 5. Is it the same? Of course, it's the same. Negative 13x is nothing else, just minus 3x minus 10x. Now let's do some factorization of this expression. I have 6x squared minus 3x. From these two terms I can factorize 3x. And inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 2x minus 1. From these two terms I can factorize minus 5. Why minus? Because I want to eliminate the negative sign from x. That's why I'm going to factorize these two terms, okay, by negative 5. And inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 2x minus 1. Next, I'm supposed to factorize the common term for these two terms. So I have 2x minus 1. This is the common term for these two terms. And whatever left I'm going to write in separate pair of the parentheses. I have 3x minus 5. This is my solution. Let's check if this is true. 2x times 3x gives me 6x squared. 2x times minus 5 gives me minus 10x. Minus 1 times 3 is minus 3x. Minus 1 times minus 5 is positive 5. So I got 6x squared minus 13x plus 5. As you can see, this term is equivalent to my original expression, right? Original quadratic trinomial. So the solution to my problem looks like this. This is the solution to the problem.